Former presidential spokesperson Harry Roque firmly denies being the source of a video accusing President Bongbong Marcos of drug use. That's after a vlogger made the claim during a House hearing into the spread of fake news. Hannity reports.
Attorney Harry Roque is dismayed over the turnaround of former Duterte vlogger Pebbles. She testified against him at the House Tri-Committee hearing on fake news. Roque says he pities her and understands why she chose an easier path under the Marcos administration.
Kaya lang sana kung ikaw ay okay na dyan at lahat ng gusto mo ay nabibigay naman, sana wag ka na lang manira ng iba.
But Roque stands firm. He calls her affidavit baseless. He slams lawmakers for relying on a vlogger they once called a fake news peddler. In her affidavit, Pebbles said Roque spoke of a screenshot on July 7, 2024, during a private dinner in Hong Kong. It showed a man who looked like the president allegedly using cocaine. She claims Roque talked about releasing the video, even saying he could bring down a government. Roque denies this.
Yung aktor na presidente ang siya magpapatumba ng kanyang gobyerno mismo dahil sino ba naman ang Pilipino na nasa tamang pag-iisip na tatanggapin ng presidente ay adik.
Pebbles claims Roque showed the video publicly at a Vancouver rally on July 20. Another vlogger, Maharlika, was also present.
Sana pinakita ni Talaquera yung sinasabi niyang live video kung saan nagkaroon ng premiere ang Pulveronic video sa Vancouver.
Nagkaroon tayo ng premiere noong July 24 dito na nga sa California, sa Long Beach.
Pebbles says Roque sent her both raw and enhanced versions of the video on July 22, the day of the sauna. She claims the photo Roque held in Hong Kong came from the raw clip, and the enhanced version edited to make it look like the president. Roque denies this, saying her claim is pure opinion. He insists the video was already circulating in 2022 and came from Maharlika's unknown source.
I think nasabi ko na ito ay malapit kay Bangag. Di ba? Kaya niya ibinigay dahil sukang-suka na siya dito sa nangyayari sa ginagawa ng pagnanakaw, kidnapping, smuggling ng gobyerno.
Roque then threw a challenge to the public.
Tanungin yung mga sarili ninyo. Kung hindi si BBM yan, bakit hanggang ngayon ayaw niyang mag-hair follicle test? Karapatan natin na husgahan siya kung siya dapat magpatuloy pa sa kanyang pamumuno. Maraming salamat dahil ayan na naman ang Pulveronic video na nabaon na sana sa video.
Roque says he's grateful for the hearing, as it could strengthen his asylum bid in the Netherlands. He filed his application there shortly after former President Rodrigo Duterte's arrest. Roque is facing a contempt order from the House and a pending trafficking complaint here in the Philippines. Hannity, Billionario News Channel.